Here we are now in Google Drive on the web, and this is likely the interface that you will end up using most often. And by the way, congratulations, you now have your very own cloud storage account. In the introduction, it might have sounded a little bit intimidating, but it's actually really easy to set up. Now within Google Drive, likely the first thing that you'll want to do is to put one of your files into the cloud so you can start taking advantage of all of those benefits that I called out. And by far the easiest way to get a file into the cloud is to simply select a file from your computer, and then you could simply drag and drop it into Google Drive. Here I have a Word document, and I'll let go of it, and here you see it uploads now into the cloud. Along with uploading individual files, maybe you have an entire folder that you'd like to put into Google Drive. Well, you can upload it the exact same way. Here I have a folder from my PC, and once again I'll simply drag and drop it onto Google Drive, and here it'll upload the entire folder into Drive. Getting content in is very easy. Up in the top left-hand corner, I also have this big and prominent New button. When I click on this, here too I can upload an individual file, and I could also upload a folder. So just another way to get content up. I don't just have to start working from existing content on my PC. Down below, I could also start new blank documents, sheets, slides, and there are many other types of Google content that I could start creating. Now, let's say I don't want to create a blank document. I could also hover over this arrow and I could start from a template. Up on top of this menu, there's the option to create a new folder. Just like any other file manager, you can use folders to organize all of your content. I'm going to go ahead and create a folder. This opens up a prompt to name my folder. I'm going to call this Financials. Once I'm all done, I'll click on Create. Here now, I see my new folder. To organize content, just like any other file manager, I can click on one of my files and press and hold, and I can drop it in folders to start organizing content. Along with the new menu, I can also simply access it by right-clicking. When I right-click, this opens up the same exact menu. So once again, Google makes it extremely easy to get your content into Google Drive.